Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to make a little quick midweek stock market update. We're going to talk about the S&P 500, kind of break that down. Then we're going to look at the VIX on VIXCentral.com, look at the Fear and Greed Index, and kind of go from there. So this will be a quick, straight to the point video. Also, be on the lookout for one of the educational videos that we make coming soon this week. I made it last night, and the quality wasn't that great. The sound quality wasn't that great. So I want to go ahead and remake that one. And it's going to just talk about basically some things to do, with the recession coming up. And, I don't know, some people say we're actually in a recession now. I thought it would be a good video to talk about how to, reassess your finances and talk about some things to make some extra money. And these are all things that I've done and have experience doing. So I know that they work, right? So, okay, guys, S&P 500, we did get a decent little run up from 36 all the way to almost 4,000 and got rejected. And you see we are coming down here. So we're losing steam, obviously, on the 184-hour time frame. We're crossing over from bullish to bearish. We have not fully made the crossover just yet, but I highly expect that since Jerome Powell's come and speak today, that we are going to make that crossover, and we're going to come back down. We may retest that 36 level. I don't know if we'll get that low. I'm assuming we will. If Jerome Powell will ever just shut up and stop talking, then we might slowly start kind of making our way back towards the upside. I don't know, unless he comes out and says something to make the market bullish. I don't think today is going to be a very good day. But so your first level of resistance is 38.89, so roughly about 3,900, and then you got 4,100, 42.27, and then 43.67. In order for us to get a longer term bullish reversal, we need to get above and stay about 41.50. That's the key number currently right now, right? So good news is, guys, is from our highs, look how far down we are from our highs here. Okay, doesn't mean we can't go lower. However, eventually we're going to find a bottom somewhere, and then we'll start probably trading sideways and we'll start to recover. Okay, so now, in my opinion, not financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm doing right now is I'm picking some companies that I really believe in and that I like, and I'm starting to again accumulate and hold those positions, because whenever this market reverses, even if it's temporary, I think it's going to be pretty aggressive and pretty substantial to the upside. And even if we retest that SMA line and get rejected, that's a pretty decent pull up from where we are now. So I'm, wanting to position myself for that longer term stocks, Amazon, AMD, Nvidia, Tesla, and even, which is a lot more volatile. But what I'm doing is kind of nibbling at TQQQ and just holding for that for whenever the markets do recover, that'll shoot up pretty aggressive as well. Okay, so that's the S&P 500. Now let's take a look at the VIX on VIXCentral.com. The VIX, guys, currently at 28.87. Typically you want to see that thing closer to 20, and 20 or below really is ideal. That means we are very, very healthy in the market. We don't have a whole lot of volatility, but now we have plenty of volatility. We are currently, this is a positive here. I highly expect this to go down and go negative. That's basically telling us, are we going up or are we going down? If we're in the negative, obviously we're selling off and, things are going down. If we're in the positive, the more positive it is, the more bullish the market is in that aspect. The Fear and Greed Index, guys, we are in fear currently. Actually, we just touched down to extreme fear, okay, which is actually a good sign for us because, typically when you get to extreme fear, we do have, this lever does tend to come back this way because people see it as a good buying opportunity. So, currently market momentum, extreme fear, stock price breadth, extreme fear, put and call options, fear, market volatility, neutral, safe haven demand, fear, junk bond demand, fear. So extreme fear. So everything's either fear, extreme fear. So highly expect, even if, like I said, today might be really, really ugly, which would be good for SQQQ, right? Because that's what we talked about this week, is whenever the markets are down, especially for the NASDAQ, SQQQ is going to be a stock that you can day trade to make a quick, quick little percentage on the swing play there. Just make sure that you get out whenever you're up, because that thing can fall right back down in a heartbeat. Stock market futures, guys. It looks like we are going to open red. I don't know if we'll be very, very red at the beginning. I think that people are just going to be kind of waiting to hear Jerome Powell, and then once he comes on, I'm pretty sure he'll say something to where the markets will start selling off. That's just my assumption. I hope I'm wrong, but I do think that today's going to be a red day, and then tomorrow we can have, or Friday, have a somewhat of a little recovery rally, but I do think that today's going to be red, especially with him talking in the morning. So anyway, guys, just want to provide that quick update to you. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.